정도 되면은 소스 묻히는 거 보여드리고.
Okay, can I have chocolate?
Okay, chocolate, 2 mixers.
2 mixes, Nutella
Nutella.
and M&M.
Okay.
Good to see people enjoying themselves and they're having a really good time there. They're selling those ice creams there for 29 baht. Really, really good. And they're just having really good laugh. So it's all on JJ Market. Really easy to find. So come and find them and enjoy. I'll show you where they are just in a minute. Okay, so you come in from gate number 1, which is over there, and you walk down this way, and you'll see just on your left side there's a toilet block, and then you've got this old, well, this building that's not being really turned into anything. And then if you come here, this is where these people are having such good fun on Monsters. Okay, Monsters ice cream. And they're two very, very nice people. It's really easy to find because it's right next door to, and here we go, look, we've got section 19 and soy 7 up there. So look for section 19 soy 7 and they're right next door to that. Or alternatively, there's a load of banks down there, and where the little banks are, there's a toilet thing at the end. They're directly opposite that. So here we go. That's how you can find them on there. Okay. So that's where you'll find them on here. Okay. So they're having a great fun, having a great time, enjoying themselves and working, which is what it should all be about. So there you go. excuse me, is that really nice? Hello, yeah. Are you Thai or Chinese? Thai?
Neither.
Where are you from?
From the US.
Are you really? Oh, see, I can just speak normally to you then. Okay, so it was good, yeah? Yeah, okay, thank you. So there we go. So they're busy enjoying themselves. That's what life should all be about. Is that nice, yeah? It's good. Alright, mate?
Alright.
It looks really good, yeah? How right, Cap? How much was it?
เท่าไหร่นะ
29, yeah?
I don't know.
Oh, you should know.